Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Deanna. Go ahead and smash that like button, and if you're not already following me, give me a follow. Today I am joining the hashtag Come Collage With Us, hosted by Brenda at Maniac Grammys Homestead and by Alma Tyser. And this month's prompt was spring. So this is my spring page. I used my papers that I got from a Mary Poppins pack that my cousin bought me. And so this is like a spring day in the park. And as you can see, let's see, this book is so huge. On this side, I have these kites. I have some roses. These were stickers from the pack, a carousel, and then I lined the page with this tape measure that says, what does it say? Inclined to giggle, practically perfect in every way, loves animals. And then this side of the page is, I cut out these little birds, and this was a sticker that says beautiful. So it's like a beautiful spring day in the park. Hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you, ladies, for hosting this fun hashtag and helping me to collage in my book. Bye, guys.